Welcome to the Windows 10 channel, and this is a quick roundup of the Microsoft event that happened today, October 26th. So, an event that went flawlessly, was very interesting actually, and lasted about 2 hours and 5 minutes. Well, we first learned at the beginning that something is coming up later this week, and that it's basically the Windows 10 update that will be in early 2017 will be called Creators Update. And there was a lot of talk about creators and how people use Surface devices and so on to create stuff. Very interesting name. So, Windows 10 Creators Update, that will be the name of the next Windows Update early 2017. And apparently, we'll have an insider preview of this later this week. So, it means that we actually might have a jump in build number because we will have probably a few new features in there. Kind of interesting. So lots of 3D stuff today, of course. A little bit of talk of HoloLens, and how people design, but not much. We saw this cool demo of Paint 3D, and actually they were taking a 3D image of a sandcastle, and how with Paint 3D they could actually create a 3D version, very easily 3D version of anything on the screen. And it was actually a very cool demo, I gotta say. Paint 3D, of course, coming up, and that is going to be quite interesting. Um, Basically, also they had Xbox. Xbox will have a new feature in the Windows 10 operating system. It's called Beam, and if you're playing an Xbox game, you can actually stream online live very easily with the game bar in Windows 10. So this is also a new feature coming up that's going to be quite interesting. So if you're a gamer in Windows 10, going to be interesting that you'll be able to just go online and show everybody your gameplay. And there's interaction with that also. Of course, lots of 3D, so 3D for everyone. There's a lot of stuff that's going to add 3D capabilities to the Windows 10 environment. So that's mostly, I'd say, the biggest theme of this presentation today: 3D design, 3D everything, basically. Also, two new devices that are quite interesting. A new Surface Book. It's the Surface Book i7. So it adds this new very powerful laptop to their line of laptops of Surface Books that Microsoft already has. This Surface Book i7, most powerful laptop ever. It is extremely powerful, has an NVIDIA graphics chip with very high resolution, has extended battery life, 16 hours from what they say. So that's a very nice device. It will be at $2,399 and up. And of course, this is an add-on to the existing Surface Book devices. And finally, we have a new device called the Surface Studio, a desktop computer, very powerful, a 28-inch monitor, thinnest LCD monitor ever, 12.5 millimeters thick. It will have more than 4K, about 4K and a half resolution, which is quite amazing. Very powerful NVIDIA chip in there. So it's probably not just desktop and 3D stuff, because that's of course a lot of what they shown, but I wouldn't be surprised this is powerful enough to really play games on it. A new little device that you see on the bottom left, that little circle, which is a Surface Dial. It's the dial is kind of a new device, touch device, that helps you continue and control your environment in Windows. And they were showing various demos with this, and you can put it on the screen, and then it displays on the screen all sorts of little things that you can do. You turn it, the screen turns, or whatever you're doing. This device also can become almost flat on your table. So if you want to work on a surface, say you want to draw, they were showing demos of that, and somebody actually doing some cartoons. So it's a very, very nice device, of course. This starts at $2,999 and very powerful, very nice display. So quite interesting presentation today, and I'm looking forward for the next build of Windows 10. I think it's going to be very interesting. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. Give us thumbs up. And hopefully you enjoy our videos and will continue watching us on this channel.